Hi children, welcome to our class. Class 6, Subject Science. Let us learn Chapter 3, Rain. Where does it come from? Let's start our class. Today we are going to learn. The topic is condensation. Children, do you know it is our common experience that on cold winter mornings when we speak, we observe smoke like vapor coming out of our mouths like this. Did you observe in winter mornings? Why does smoke like vapor come out our mouth in winter? Do we experience this in summer as well? Actually, in winter, the air in our atmosphere is very cool as compared to the air coming out from our mouth. Water vapor present in the air coming out from our mouth gets cooled suddenly to form very tiny droplets. These tiny droplets concentrated in limited area appear like smoke or small cloud near our mouth. You might have observed that during mornings in winter, some fog is formed and small dew drops appear on grass, leaves of plants. From where do these water drops come on the leaves and grass? So, let's find out how smoke will form from our mouth. Activity 1, condensation. Children, take some water in a glass, add some pieces of ice to it, observe for few minutes. What will happen? What do you observe on the outer surface of the glass? Are you observing any droplets outer surface of the glass? They are water droplets. You would observe formation of small drops of water on the outer surface of the glass. Why are these drops formed? Do they get formed if there is no ice in the glass? Ice, cold water in the glass cools its surface. Air around the glass contains water vapor, which is warmer than the surface of the glass. Due to the cold glass, air close to its surface will also become cooler. This changes the water vapor in the air around the surface of the glass into water and forms small drops on the outer surface of the glass. Here you can observe it. The water vapor changes into water. Have you ever observed in your daily life where water vapor changes into water? List out them. Our body also one of the good example of condensation, and dew drops on the grass, leaves, in winter mornings, in our kitchen. If we keep any ice in the glass, we will see outer surface of the glass some water droplets. These are some of the examples of in our daily life. So what is condensation? The process of conversion of water vapor into water is called condensation. Do you know, in some rainforests there are flying animals such as squirrels and snakes. These are flying animals we can see in rainforests. Thank you, my dear children. I hope you understand the topic.